I'm back again. People's been commenting on my page that how can they put a thumbnail on their YouTube page. So I decided to do this video for you. Firstly, go to your YouTube. After going to your YouTube, click on the top right corner. Click on your channel. Go to videos and choose the video you want at thumbnail. Let's say here, and then click on edit. After clicking on edit, on the profile you can see something like plus there. Click on it, click on change, and choose the pic you want to add. After choosing it, click select, click save.